Hello everyone, here is the one simple and easy phonics tip for your kids. So watch this video till the end. Letter S makes different sounds. In that, the first sound is S sound. S sound is voiceless and there is no vibration in your throat. For example, hiss, sun, sky, sea, snake, sit, socks. And the second sound is Z sound. Z sound is voiced and there is vibration in your throat. For example, music, precise, please, pleasure, and many more. Letter S also make another sound which is very essential for your kids to learn. If you're so curious to know what it is, comment below sounds of S and I will share you the PDF.